Hi, welcome back. Well, congratulations, you've made it to the last module of this online course. I have just one assignment I want you to complete for this week, which is to write a paragraph on a topic of your choice. This will be your final project for the course, so it's important that you put some extra time and care into completing this assignment. To allow you more time to do this, there will be no other assignments due for this week. Let's take a closer look at your final project. As I mentioned, you can choose any topic you like. However, I do want your paragraph to be based on one of the 4 types of paragraphs that we've studied in this course: a narration paragraph, an illustration paragraph, a description paragraph, or a process analysis paragraph. Before you decide which type of paragraph you want to write, I suggest going back to some of the earlier modules to review how each of these paragraphs should be constructed. You can also read more about these paragraphs in Chapter 5 of your textbook. The narration paragraph is from Module 1, where you learn that this type of paragraph is designed to tell a story. The illustration paragraph is from Module 2, where we talked about using this type of paragraph to present a main point or argument and then use examples to show, explain, or prove the point. The description paragraph is from Module 3. This type of paragraph is perfect for creating a vivid picture of something for your readers, using details that appeal to the senses like sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. The process analysis paragraph is from Module 4. This type of paragraph is all about explaining a sequence of events. I'll let you decide which type of process you want to write about, how to do something, or how something works. Now let's talk about the criteria I'll use to evaluate and grade your final assignment. First and foremost, I'll be looking to see how well your paragraph is structured. If you recall from my videos in Module 2 and 3, a paragraph consists of a topic sentence at the beginning, which tells your reader the main point or idea that you'll be talking about throughout the rest of the paragraph. Following the topic sentence is the body of your paragraph, which should include a series of sentences that provide examples and details that explain what your topic sentence is all about. Finally, a well-written paragraph should have some type of concluding sentence at the end. The purpose of this sentence is to remind readers of your main point and perhaps offer a final comment about the subject. The total length of your paragraph should be somewhere between 12 and 14 sentences. That's 1 for the topic sentence, 10 to 12 for the body of your paragraph, and then 1 for the concluding sentence. I'll also be looking at your paragraph for proper grammar and spelling. Keep in mind that I never expect my students to memorize all of the English grammar rules for spelling and punctuation, but I do expect my students to be inquisitive enough to question whether something is right or wrong in a sentence, and then look up the answer online or in a grammar textbook. I'll focus primarily on the topics we covered in the modules, like commas from Module 1. I want you to demonstrate in your writing that you understand when and where to use commas, especially in regard to combining 2 sentences or 2 independent clauses. Be sure to review my video in Module 1 where I explain the differences between commas used for listing, linking, and introducing. Apostrophes from Module 2. I also want you to demonstrate in your writing that you understand how to use apostrophes in a sentence, especially in regard to contractions and possessive nouns. Parallelism from Module 3. My video in Module 3 provides a good overview of how to create balance and unity in a sentence using prepositions and verb tense. Point of view from Module 4. My video in Module 4 explains the difference between writing in first person, second person, and third person, and how to avoid combining these 3 writing styles in the same paragraph. Finally, I'll look at your paragraph to see how well you have implemented my suggestions for revisions. Of course, that means I'll need to see a rough draft of your paragraph before you submit your final assignment to me. So for this week, here's the schedule I would like you to follow. 1. Submit a rough draft of your paragraph to me on or before Wednesday, June 18. After I receive your rough draft, I'll send you my comments and suggestions. 2. Revise your paragraph based on the comments and suggestions I sent you. 3. Submit your revised and final paragraph to me on or before Sunday, June 22. Please keep in mind that you must submit this assignment to me no later than 12 o'clock midnight on Sunday. Assignments submitted after this deadline will not be counted in your final grade. So that's it for this week's assignment and the final module for this course. I realize it's been a short and hurried journey through the basics of college writing, and I appreciate your hard work and determination to absorb the material in such little time. The good news is that the topics we've covered over the last few weeks will put you in good shape for entering college prep writing too, where you'll be able to apply the skills you've learned here to not only write better paragraphs, but also write complete essays. I hope you have a great summer, and I wish you the best of luck in your courses next semester. Take care.